Yeah, so here's an unboxing video of the Swanstone shower base that just arrived here, delivered by UPS. The box is a little bit dinged up. Bit of a ding down here. And when we open it up, it's pretty exciting. I've been waiting for this so I can get on with some work. And we can see that the foam bumpers are missing. This one's a bit dinged up. We can see here, this is all cracked. And even better, down the bottom here, we can see that the whole base is cracked. And that's not repairable. And here's a bit of the foam bumper, and here's a bit of the edging. So all in all, I'm not even going to take it out of the box. This unboxing sucks. Okay. Product looks okay. I'm guessing that yeah, look at that big crack in there too. Yeah, so thanks a lot. Unboxing review. What do you think of that? I'm not impressed.